Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs, and hey, look, I paint monsters for a living. Man, it is quite the life. Enjoy. Hey people, this is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. I am still here at Pure Terror. It is the weekend. We are alone. My son's basking in the air conditioning unit in the trailer while I bake out here. But hey, that's all part of the fun. So we're throwing down another section that I completed in 2018. They've kind of moved things around, so I'm adding new additions and fixing up some stuff and getting things. So we're gonna be here for the next 3 days doing that, and then we're off to Evellyon. So hey, really appreciate your time. Enjoy the transitions, and hey, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Bobby, I listen to you, buddy. Better sound, doing my best. Thank you so much for watching, people, and we'll see you in the next video. You take care.